Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this Foundation NFT platform review, I'll share my usage experience and insights. Foundation is a renowned NFT marketplace specializing in premium digital art. If you're eager to dive in yourself, you'll find helpful links in the description. Foundation distinguishes itself as a community-driven platform, connecting digital artists and collectors through a carefully curated selection process. It's particularly recognized for showcasing high-quality, single-edition NFTs, making it a prime destination for artists seeking a serious, art-centric environment to display their work and for collectors hunting for truly unique digital assets. Foundation employs a creator-first approach, empowering artists to mint NFTs directly on the platform after receiving an invitation from an established creator. This invite-only system contributes to a higher caliber of artwork, as artists are personally selected by their peers. It's an excellent platform for emerging digital artists to gain recognition, as Foundation prioritizes individual artistic expression over mass-produced content. The platform utilizes an auction-based sales model, meaning pieces are typically sold to the highest bidder. This encourages competitive pricing driven by market demand, which can be advantageous for creators, ensuring they receive a fair market value for their creations. Foundation's design is sleek and minimalist, placing the artwork at the forefront and creating a gallery-like browsing experience for collectors. The bidding process is simple and efficient. Artists establish a reserve price, and once a bid reaches that minimum, a 24-hour auction commences, injecting a sense of urgency into the acquisition process. Payments are handled in Ethereum, aligning with the platform's focus on the crypto art community. Furthermore, artists receive a 10% royalty on all secondary sales, providing a continuous income stream as their pieces change ownership. Foundation also incorporates robust provenance tools, leveraging blockchain technology to guarantee transparency in ownership and transaction history. This is crucial for collectors concerned about authenticity and the origin of the digital art they acquire. The platform has also integrated social features, such as profiles for creators and collectors, enabling users to connect, interact, and stay abreast of trends within the digital art world. In summary, Foundation is a leading platform in the NFT space for serious digital art collectors and creators who prioritize quality, uniqueness, and transparency. Its community-driven invite system and distinct focus on high-end, single-edition art make it a popular choice among those who appreciate meticulously curated collections. If you're looking to delve into the world of NFT art or begin collecting exclusive digital pieces, Foundation is definitely worth exploring. Remember, all the links are in the description.